How's it going, guys? I'm Jake Palmazzano, project manager. We're here at the recently completed Scott Equipment in Mandeville, Louisiana.
I'm Casey McGinnis, the senior superintendent for the project. We're here to walk you guys through to show you what we built over the last few months.
So this is an 18,000 square foot pre-engineered Butler building, 6,000 square feet of office space, and then 12,000 square foot of warehouse and covered space, which will serve as their service department.
In that covered space, Butler partnered with Kone Crane to install 2 overhead cranes. It's a really good relationship that we have with them.
So this job was a design build delivery method. On the front end, we worked with Butler and Kone Cranes to design the crane beams and the structural steel to be able to house the 2 6-ton shop cranes, which will allow them to service their equipment and move material around the warehouse. Okay, so this is the entrance. It's got 18 by 18 automated roll-up doors. And Casey, tell us a little bit about the embedded steel.
Well, Scott Equipment is a heavy iron equipment supplier and rental company, and a lot of their equipment is tracked equipment. And some of their other facilities, their service bays, the concrete floors were being damaged. So from a design build standpoint, we implemented these 6-inch I-beams in the slab so that the tracked equipment will walk on the I-beams and not on the concrete. Butler and Kone Crane have a partnership where it's such that they can offer packages with facilities specifically designed for the use of a Kone overhead crane. And in doing so, it makes the installation process much easier. These 2 6-ton cranes were provided by Kone, and all the support structure was provided by Butler Manufacturing. In this project, we have 2 different types of occupancy. One of them is the offices, and then you have a mechanic shop on the other side, which is where we're standing now. What separates the office from the mechanic shop is a 3-hour firewall that goes from floor to ceiling here. This firewall is continuous across the building and also goes into their parts department. And in the event of a fire, there's a fire shutter that separates the parts department offices from the mechanic shop as well. So it keeps a continuous 3-hour rated wall across this area. A lot of thought was put into keeping the mechanics in the shop bay comfortable during the summer months. To start with, there's 2 large exhaust fans to help vent out any exhaust fumes. And then each mechanic provided with a shop fan that is specific to the bay that they can control to keep themselves cool.
So this has been another successful design build project. It's a preferred method for our clients to be able to deal with us and have us involved in all stages of the construction. It makes it go a lot smoother for them.
And helps get our clients into their facility operating in a shorter time frame than traditional construction methods.